What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy VQ Casing, back with another video. As y'all seen from last night, had the ISR exhaust, opened it up, looked at it and everything, made sure everything was straight, admired it. So now, today, it is 11:45 a.m. Got the ISR exhaust right here in the back seat, well, on the floor. About to go to the muffler shop right now to go get it put on. So I'm at the muffler shop right now. The G is getting done. ISR exhaust is right there. We're about to get it going, y'all. I'm ready. I do have a leak in my Y pipe, in my stock Y pipe, but I'm just gonna weld that with a pipe for now. Then later, get a whole nother Y pipe, put it on, and yeah, we good. So let's see how this gonna sound. I'm excited. It's about to be crazy. So I'm gonna catch y'all with another video, once this is all done. So see y'all soon. Peace. ISR just got put in. You know what I'm saying? I'm hyped. It sounds amazing. You know what I'm saying? I can do a quick rev for y'all real quick just so that y'all can hear it. Love this shit, bro. I love it. Yo, ISR exhaust is in. This shit sounds crazy. What's up, guys? It's your boy VQ Casing with another video, continuing the last video. Got the ISR put on yesterday. It sounds great. I wanted to give you guys a rev and a startup, but my phone wasn't I didn't have enough storage for videos, so I'm gonna do it right now. It's I don't know what time. I think it's like 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start, and I'm gonna give y'all a quick rev. Like I said, I don't want to rev too much in this neighborhood where I'm at, where I live at, because it's a residential neighborhood and I don't want to get the cops called on me. So I'm gonna do a quick rev for y'all, quick cold start, so I can show y'all what it sounds like. So let's do it. It's all right there, as you can see. Quick rev. Neighborhood, so I can't rev it too much. People are probably still sleeping, so you know, I gave y'all a little something. But yeah, shout outs to Town Discount Muffler on Waterbury CT. They did amazing. It was fast. You know, they did it very, very quick. If you have any, you know, muffler work or exhaust work that you need done, and if you're in Connecticut, Waterbury, Connecticut specifically, go to Town Discount Muffler. They're really, really good. Very reputable guys, respectful guys, you know, and they get the job done, man. They get the job done. I had a hole in my Y pipe, so you know, they welded that together for me. wasn't much to do it. So altogether it was like $220. So good price, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, they did very, very good work. So I'm happy. I'm happy with the results. I'm happy with everything. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy that I got the ISR put in. It's great. So yeah, man. I'll probably do a POV because I'm going to work right now, so I'll probably do like a POV for y'all. But I gotta go get gas, so that's where I'm on my way to now, is the gas station. Because my tank is literally almost on E. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that right there. I hope y'all could. I hope I'm like right at the freaking gas tank, but I'm right there at a quarter of empty. So gotta get gas. About to go there now. After that, I'm gonna head to work. I'll probably give you guys some like a POV drive or something like that. So see y'all when I get to the gas station. All right, peace. So I'm at the gas station, guys. Put $40 in there. You know, LMG. And ISR. You can see it. You guys can see it. Yeah, there you go. ISR right there. Sitting pretty.